Hi, my name is Amit Pranjavan, and this is our latest installment of do-it-yourself videos. I'm going to show you how to foil stamp using your roll laminator in 4 easy steps. Step 1, I'm going to show you how to laminate using our Southwest Velvet Touch film. Take your regular cardstock sheet, laminate it one side. This is how you do it. Step 2, now that I've already laminated my sheet, I'm going to run it through our photocopier just to get black toner on it. Once it's completed, it's going to look like this. Before I go on to step 3, which is applying the foils to your printed sheets, I'm going to show you how to feed the foil film through your laminator. This is how you do it. You want to make sure you have a takeaway bar, which is over here. You feed it through the front, as so. By taking away the guard. Most laminators have these guards so you don't burn your fingers. What you want to make sure is you run a little bit of the foil through, as so. Still have the guard up. You take a piece of cardstock, and all you do is you kind of push this through. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the rollers are disengaged, so they're up, so it's easier to push your film through. So now that I've fed the foil film through the laminator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the takeaway bar, which is like this. You take your foil film, as so, and attach it to a takeaway bar like this. Take a piece of tape, and you just stick a little bit on to the takeaway bar. Now that I have my sheet laminated and printed using just a black toner, I'm going to run it through our laminator here, and it's going to apply the foil to the print. This is how you do it. So what you want to make sure is you want to make sure the setting, I found that it was the most productive and the best adhesion was to put it on speed 3, and the heat setting I have here at 129, which is about 270 degrees on in a laminator. So I'm just going to hit the forward button, let this run through a little bit, and just going to feed it through. So the slower you have this, the better adhesion you're going to get to your prints. And what you want to do is you always want to make sure that since this is one-sided, you want to make sure that you have your other piece ready to go as well, so the toner, the film here, doesn't adhere to the bottom of your rolls of your laminator. So we're just going to feed it through like this. It's going to come out through the other side. And we're almost done. Here. So now we have our printed and laminated. So just to recap, we've laminated our sheet, we've applied the toner, and then we also foil stamped as well using the foil fused film. Now, if step 4, if you wanted to add color, run your sheet back again through your photocopier and add the color. So that would be your final step. A great solution for any sort of a foil stamping that you want to do without the cost of an additional die. You can use it for business cards, invitations, or any sort of personalized greetings that you may have.